Prepping and finding interviews. First thing we need to do is see which interviews are still needed. We can do that by going to the children's roster, choosing which center we are looking at, and the interview status. You want to make sure that you pick the correct year. And if you're looking for those that haven't been started, those that have been in progress, or those that have been complete, you would choose the correct one. For now, we want to go to not started. From here, I can see which ones have yet to be started, and I can give a click. And this will take me directly to child details. This is very important because we want to make sure that everything has been answered and everything is up to date and still correct. For instance, if the child was in early Head Start last year, we want to make sure that the current program type has been changed over. As you can see, I am missing information. So I want to go ahead and update this quickly. It's very important that we enter the correct information here in these 4 questions. These 4 questions have, depending upon how they're set up, could have specific questions that will be asked on the interview for this child. We want to make sure that all data is accurate so that we get correct reports. Now that I'm sure my child is up to date, from management, move over to interviews and create an interview. Fill in the information. The type of evaluation, and the language. Now, if it was required for Spanish, you could click on Spanish here. But you will notice it still shows in English. The way to fix that is at the top under language. Choose the language that you need. And as you can see, it is changed over to Spanish in order to do the full interview in Spanish. Now, this has been started, so it will be considered incomplete. I can print this out so that I can take it with me on the interview just to have it in case I'm unable to use my computer to enter the information as we talk. In order to find this interview, I can do this in 2 ways. I can go to an interview list. I'm looking for incomplete, initial, and in specific center. And I can find it this way to complete it. I can also go directly to the child through the filter. From here, under interviews, I can click on it. If I know exactly who I'm looking for, this is the easiest way to find it, and I can get right into the interview.